If you want to find out how many images are just right for your content, you have come to the right place. This video is designed specifically for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I'm your dedicated instructor from makblogs and I'm delighted to have you with us for lecture number 54. Today we are diving into a practical aspect of SEO content writing, determining the ideal number of images for your content. Images play a crucial role in enhancing the user experience and optimizing your content for search engines. But before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. Now let's shift our focus towards the screen and see how you can assess the ideal image count for your content. Watch closely. Begin by evaluating your content and its purpose. Consider how well adding images complements your text. Are images necessary to convey your message effectively? Assess the content's topic, length, and target audience to determine the right image count. While manual assessment is crucial, you can also utilize tools for research and experimentation. One such tool is Content AI, which is a feature of the Rank Math SEO plugin. We will delve into it in detail later. This paid tool suggests the optimal number of images for your content based on keyword analysis and content assessment. Returning to our main point, let's demonstrate how to use the Content AI tool to determine the ideal image count. See, this is Rank Math SEO plugin which is installed in our WordPress. See, there are different tools from Rank Math. The one of them is Content AI, which we are talking about today. Content AI tool from Rank Math. So now I will guide you how to use Content AI. You will use Content AI while you want to add a post in your website, like this post, and come towards add a new post. See, if you want to add a new post, obviously you will have a keyword with you. See, this is Rank Math and this is Content AI. You can see Content AI. This is Content AI. Here you will put your keyword and click on research. This will recommend you the suggestions for your SEO optimized content. So our today's keyword is this, highest ranked SEO company. Copied it from here and paste it here and click on research. See, it collect the result and show you the recommendations. For this keyword, the word count should be like this, link count and heading count. We will discuss it later, but our today's focus is media count. Here you can see the media count. So it suggests you for this keyword, these suggestions varies from keyword to keyword. This keyword requires images should be 19, right? Or videos, 0 video. Here you can get the suggestion of 1 video, 2 videos, 0 videos. When you meet these requirements, the indicator turns green and boosting your content score. I will show you. See here, this is our post, and see here for this keyword, the suggestions were 1 image, total 2 were required, right? 1 image and 1 video. We didn't add any video but we added 2 images. So the result is green here. See the green signal. These green signals will increase your overall score, right? You should make it green by following these suggestions, and these suggestions will make your content more SEO optimized and help your content to rank and help you to make your content best for search results, your target audience, for your targeted country and your desired results, like to see your websites on the top in search results. So feel free to use it with enthusiasm and get ready to rise to the top of search engine results. There are several other tools available for your use. The choice is entirely up to you. So, in conclusion, we can say that determining the ideal image count in SEO content writing is a crucial step in optimizing your content for both search engines and user engagement. Whether you assess it manually or use tools like Rank Math, Content AI, finding the right balance of images will enhance your content's impact. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture number 54, where we have learned how to assess and determine the ideal image count in SEO content writing. If you need professional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.